Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include stability control, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, steel wheels, FWD, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.